Hello, everybody. Welcome. I'm Farah Rani, an urban sketcher from Pune, India, and your host for this evening for USP Dialogues, an initiative of Urban Sketchers Pune. In these days of social distancing, as our circles are getting smaller and tougher to navigate, we decided to chronicle happier times, to ignite the desire to sketch and to tell our stories the way we know best. A group of 27 sketchers from different parts of India had traveled to Vietnam for the Hanoi Asia Link Sketchwalk 2019, after which some of them had continued their travels to explore other places in Vietnam. Just a little back note, Asia Link is a network of urban sketching groups from Asian countries. This is the first collaborative effort between 5 urban sketching chapters of India: Pune, Bengaluru, Goa, Navi Mumbai, and Mumbai. 18 sketchers will be sharing their sketches and experiences of Vietnam. Today, it is just an overview, but we hope to share even more through the questions the presenters will take at the end of their presentation. Do type in your questions in the chat box, and I will be putting it to the presenters accordingly. If you would like a particular artist to answer, please mention their name. We have also included an Insta handle of each artist on their slides, along with the logos of the chapters they belong to at the base of the images. Please mute your audio and switch off your videos for a better viewing experience. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank Daniel Smith India for the watercolors they sponsored for Team India.
Hi, I'm architect Mayuresh and a part of Urban Sketchers Pune since 2015. Today I'm sharing with you the beginning of the sketchwalk. It frankly began at Changi Airport, where excitement was in sketching people who I realized were Urban Sketchers Singapore. My first impression of the old quarter Hanoi was a network of thick hanging cables, which became a part of all our sketches. The plaza by the lake was on our way to the cultural center, where the registrations were done and we got a sketching kit with a Vietnamese straw hat. This was to be painted and given back to display at the inaugural venue of the Pharmacy Auditorium. Street food vendors from Hanoi were invited to display and serve handcrafted food. It was very colorful and very, very tasty. I enjoyed eating while sketching these beautiful people who were serving. The opening ceremony in the hall with welcome speeches, songs, flag bearers was a grand and a very warm affair. Post this ceremony, the welcome party served lots of food, drinks, music, and had their traditional bamboo dance, which we took a part in. It was an occasion to make many new friends.
Hello everyone, architect Shruti Udgikar, a member of Urban Sketchers since past 2 years. This was my first Asia Link sketchwalk and I took my A5 size sketchbook and my fountain pen with brush pen and some Daniel Smith watercolors. My first sketch at the food sketching at the opening ceremony, as Mayuresh mentioned, we were served and the display of exotic Vietnamese food at the opening ceremony venue. Another sketchwalk at the wholesale market area, very crowded area. This is how we were divided into groups by the organizers, and this is how the sketchwalk would end with the photograph on the location. Another very old pagoda and some old houses. I tried my non-dominant left hand for sketching just for fun, and I really enjoyed it. It was a very crowded area in the bylanes of the wholesale market. Another part of the very old part of the town and very old house, we were joined by the kid urban sketchers here, very enthusiastically taking part into the sketching and who were interviewed by the media. Another temple with an eye-catching entrance, and this is how we would see the women on Hanoi street selling fruits and vegetables. All in all, it was a great experience to connect with people and culture of Hanoi. Thank you.
Hi, I am Gayatri Godse, member of USP since 2016. When I was preparing for Vietnam sketchwork, I thought Vietnam being an Asian country with hot and humid climate like India, the color palette too would be same as India. I picked my F5 sketchbook, some usual watercolors, brush pen, and a black gel pen. That's it. At Hanoi, the sketchwalks were arranged very thoughtfully. Organizers had divided the participants in groups with different nationalities. The sketchwalks were led by two people, one conductor, one photographer. The conductor informed us about the areas and monuments, while the photographer documented each and every sketch with the sketcher's name and nationality. The urban character of Hanoi was very interesting. The central Hon Kim Lake added to the beauty of the city. The old quarter area had Vietnamese vernacular character with earthly colors and humble story structures. Sloping roofs were dominated by cable-laden electric poles. Some parts of Hanoi are characterized by French and Chinese influence, evident in houses, churches, and temples. The artificial flower market was a place of high excitement and very colorful to sketch. The organizers had provided us a A3 size drawing sheet to draw and submit the sketches at the end of the event. I could not handle the big size, so I folded it in 4 parts and sketched on it. I am glad that this drawing was selected for display at UNESCO office in Hanoi for their cultural week.
Hello, I am architect Ravi Gadre, member of USP since 2017. I use chisel markers and standard drawing equipments. This is the magnificent auditorium building, pharmacy building, where the inauguration function was held. It is in French style. This sketch opera was selected by the UNESCO and displayed at their office during the cultural week. These ladies were having pre-wedding photo shoot, requested me to have a photo with them when they saw me sketching this building. I was offered 50% discount from Domino's Pizza from where I was sketching this chaotic street. This old temple was interesting as the new traditional, pseudo-traditional building. I sketched this with Gayatri. I catch this sun direction and weathering effect of this old building, but I have to skip my lunch here. Sketching small temple gates was as well as huge ill-maintained church was equally challenging. Total 350 plus participants and our group 7 with group leader Kempong Lee helped me to purchase traditional dress. After drawing this caricature, fellow sketcher Jill and me become good friends. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Farah Rani, an urban sketcher from Pune and an urban sketching instructor. For this trip, I used colored papers and 2 different size sketchbooks along with mixed media. The Hanoi skyline, crisscrossed with electric cables, was a sketcher's delight. Here, I literally saw red. A young Vietnamese sketcher gifted me a sketch he had done of me while I sketched this cathedral. I treasure it. I used line work in the foreground and then splashed colors in the background to enhance the busyness of the streets. Over here, the little temple on the top left-hand corner, the green waters of the Hoan Kiem Lake, that really called me. This is what makes sketching on location so special. The people connect. My sketchbook. Part of the Hanoi Cafe's culture, people huddled on low, colorful plastic stools, sitting knee to knee, eating, socializing, and browsing. Cafes with tiny entrances, long balconies, and overview of the busy streets were great places to sketch and connect. Halong Bay Cruise, one of my fast watercolor sketches to freeze the moment. This was at a lovely sketch meet arranged by the Saigon Urban Sketchers just before we flew out. This was really the highlight of my trip, sketching while we explored the caves by boat on Trang An River. Beautiful memories that now I carry in my sketchbook.
Hello, I'm Gauri Damle. I'm an artist and visual designer. I'm part of Urban Sketchers Pune since 2016. I'll be talking about workshops I took. My first workshop was with Kia Kia, and the topic was sketching with dry twig and Chinese ink. He first introduced us to the material and the most control in a continuous way with different ways. For this, the composition should first be ready in our mind and then just go with the flow. He also taught us how to get the middle tones. The experience was meditative and enjoyable. I learned new tools and my second workshop was with Don Lowe. The topic was building up your confidence in drawing people in motion. He talked about proportions and anatomy, especially head and neck. He explained two approaches. One is to start with big shapes and then carving smaller shapes to get the final figure. The other approach is to find the key rhythm of the figure and develop a sketch around it. He also talked about capturing a gesture by drawing in a continuous line. This is very helpful, particularly when we need to draw in real quick. I got introduced to many key concepts and tips of drawing the human figure through this workshop.
Hello, I'm Maithili. I'm a user experience designer by profession. I've been sketching for about 4 years now, and I sketch with both the Pune and the Hyderabad groups. That's a couple of sketches I did at the Hangra and the Hangai streets in Hanoi. The last day ended with a big sketching session and a group photograph of the magnificent Opera House. This was followed by a closing ceremony. The venue was decorated with the traditional conical hats that we had painted. And also there was a display of a sketch each from all the participants of the Asia Link Walk. There was also a photo frame with the tortoise mascot that we could take some fun photos at. The ceremony was themed on a traditional Vietnamese wedding, complete with a couple walking the aisle and grand decorations. There was also a delicious spread of traditional Vietnamese food and drink, which we enjoyed. The ceremony proceeded with announcements of the upcoming Asia Link events and dances by kids. The best part, traditional songs and dances by participants of all the countries. And yes, the crowd went crazy with India's Jingat dance. The ceremony ended with a flag display of all the countries that were participating. And our India group also took one final photo. We parted with, a lot of friends and loads of lovely memories. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Irana Igbote, architect from Mumbai. I'm a part of Urban Sketchers for last 4 years and a founder member of Navi Mumbai Urban Sketching Group. Temple of Jade Mountain, calm, tranquil lakefront is a beautiful place. Temple of Literature, built in 1070. Its architecture is combination of imperial and configure style. It has 5 courtyards and a beautiful, colorful flag. Turtle Tower, night sketching with lights and reflection is a beautiful experience, and in the day it's a different story altogether with shadows and greens. The oldest church in Hanoi is St. Joseph's Church. This architecture resembles Notre Dame, Paris. It's a 5-minute sketch with outline and splashes of watercolors. Street Junction, organized chaos in movement of people, architecture, signages, and wires. Hawking Lake is also called Green Water Lake, is an icon of Hanoi with Turtle Tower. It also houses 3 different species of turtles. On the steps of Opera House, it was a pleasant experience sketching. I matched the colors of the sketch with my shoes and I named it Shoes, Socks and Stock Exchange. Thanks, friends.
Hi, I'm Pushkar, an architect practicing from Pune. For this Vietnam tour, I use glossy photo paper, waterproof gel pens, and brush pens. I'll be talking about Hanoi from streets. In Hanoi, streets are super chaotic, and the electric cables just add more to it. This electrical transformer was an epitome. I wondered how the electrical department would know which line is supplying where. Hanoi has a very busy visual character, with narrow building facades sticking to each other, creating a continuous streetscape. The temples become a nice visual pause, breaking monotony with their typical roof forms. In Hanoi, streets are lifelines. People spend almost their entire life on streets. They commute, eat, sell, sit, and even play on streets. In this quick sketch, these are 2 shop owners playing Chinese chess without bothering about their customers. Streets around the lake with wide pavements was an important and busy public space during day. But during night, it was almost meditative sketching this reflection in the street. This statue is the premise of Saigon Post Office, depicting a generation which was consumed by the war. War changed Vietnam. On the opposite side of this, there was a statue of a boy and girl representing the post-war Vietnam with progress and education. Truly inspiring.
Hello, I'm Zainab Tambawala, urban sketcher since 2017, and my sketching kit includes Arches paper and a set of watercolors. Hanoi, in its character, was very similar to my city, Mumbai, which was basically small houses stocked up like boxes, utilizing every inch of space. And the yellow in particular was a very prominent characteristic and caught my eye every time. The street vendors were a very interesting subject, particularly the women. They were to be seen everywhere, and they really made up the character, the character of the place. What you see here is Oak Wong Chong Gate, which is an old piece of architecture and the interior of a Hanoi temple. The cruise along Halong Bay was not just rejuvenating, but a great opportunity to basically experiment with color and depth of field. This is the Trin Nu Beach, which was a small beach on another side of a cave. What you see here is a view of the Cat Ba Island, and the way the clouds touch the mountains and the colors the depth of field that it created was just worth exploring.
Hi, my name is Rohit Kulkarni, and I have been urban sketching from 2009. In 2016, I founded the Urban Sketches Bangalore chapter, and I use pen and watercolors for my sketches. I and Anita welcome you for a food trail through Hanoi. One of the nicest things in life is that we must regularly stop what we are doing and dedicate our time to eating. And often, the sketches like this one are an indication of how satisfied we were with something as simple as a banh mi sandwich. Quite a contrast to the banh mi is this sketch that I made at the Orchid restaurant over a 3-course meal. I liked how I was able to leisurely sketch the food and its texture, and I particularly liked the lost edges on the glassware on the right. Hanoi is also known for its food, street food. As the day progresses, carts are moved through the streets and tables and chairs are pulled out to welcome the guests. Even with the crowd, the food hawkers are able to establish a personal connect with the customers that is so well captured in this sketch by Darpana. In the next sketch, we can see the rush at a Vietnamese pho shop. Look how the overhead pan brings relief to the customers and the shopkeeper alike. A trip to Hanoi is not complete without tasting the egg coffee. I thought it tasted a lot like tiramisu, and I love tiramisu. I was glad to make a sketch as well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anita Alvarez Bhatia from Urban Sketches Mumbai. I'm passionate about people, food, and reportage sketching. One of the people I sketched was Kelly, our interesting food guide. As I struggled to use chopsticks, she recounted that her father said, "You mastered the use of chopsticks if you can catch a fly." After the sketch walk, we went for a cruise on Halong Bay. I painted these subtle reflections and shadows falling on our table at the welcome lunch. Some reportage sketching here at the fruit and vegetable carving demo. The chef created edible sculptures and floral designs on a watermelon, which had so many amazing juicy shades of pink. After the demo, I couldn't resist to draw the carving tools. The spring roll making competition was meant for couples. The audience were in splits as they watched them struggle at their first attempts. Some wet on wet technique on delectable desserts, especially the creme brulee. My sketchbook tells the story of my trip and brings back memories. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Prajakta Rokde, industrial designer and architect. I mostly use tiny clippable watercolor palettes, water brush and mixed media. I'll be sharing my experience with people while sketching. This is typical food joint on pathways of Hanoi with the interesting socializing pattern. They use these tiny plastic stools and carry food in huge woven baskets. I came across lots of kids overlooking my sketchbook. I tried to capture their innocence and face structures. These kids often talk to tourists to practice their English. Many of them have parents of different ethnicity. This is beautiful serene protected landscape. I sketched this in a boat. These hats are seen everywhere. It's almost like their cultural identity. It's interesting to capture people of different ethnicities, their costumes. Sketching often sparks dialogues. I use A5 size sketchbooks and for people sketching. After a long history of war and suppression, Vietnam is fast-growing economy. The humble nature of people reflects deep pain, but now they are catching up everything with hard work and celebrations. Thank you so much. You can see rest of my sketches on my Instagram.
Hey guys, this is Manish from Urban Sketchers Pune. I carried a yellow sketchbook with a Fudi and a Lamy, light since I was hungry to capture more. So the trip to Hanoi was Pune, Mumbai, Singapore, Hanoi and back. So completely filled with people all along, right, everywhere. So wonderful subject to capture energy and the stories out there. It was sketches on the airport, transit planes, everywhere. Pause, sketch and move on was our routine. I could do something like 130 sketches in those 5 days. So warming up at food joints or at places, it was meeting and connecting people all along. So warming and dialogue with making friends, people. So it was sketch walk and sketch walk all along. So sketchers, performers, young, old, sketching with our friends out there, sketchers. So it was all people sketching for me mostly. City sketches, scapes, roadside vendors, flower vendors, happy people around. So it was about documenting the place for me, and the people element is the story for me. So it was about sketching and capturing the moment captured, and friends and lunches and dinners, of course. Last day was a wonderful after a big picture carnival and a sketch with music and dance. So it was like one sketch per song for me, and I could manage to capture the complete charged up atmosphere that way. And maybe the last sketch is something I put up there is a leisurely one done after the carnival was out there. So there you go.
I'm Sharad. I'm architect planner and habitual sketcher. This Vietnam trip was a wonderful opportunity for me to meet various people and sketch. So I started sketching at Singapore, beautiful malls, beautiful tourists, and I like the figure. Particularly, I like the personalities. This was a young girl at the reception. She was very happy to see her sketch, and there are other sketches during our trip. We went for a river trip, and also a lot of sketches were done during the street food eating. I saw a couple which dressed with the same color. The sketches were done on the street while we were eating, and that was a wonderful experience. These are the sketches again from the street. I really like to draw the faces, their expression, like this. They're chatting, having beer, enjoying. These emotions I like to capture them very well. This was my friend Girish from JJ days. I met him after almost 50 years. He had come from Australia. And this was the police. I had to go to him because my purse was lost. He treated me. He liked the sketch and treated me with beer. And these are the sketches of the girls who were sitting and having nice time. They signed it. A wonderful time. And this was a wonderful sketch by my Vietnamese friend. He did it in less than a minute, and I put the colors behind it just to bring more colors to my life. And it was wonderful.
Hello everyone, this is Atul Shinde. I'm architect by profession and member of Urban Sketcher Pune since February 2016. I will be sharing with you my sketches from Hoi An town. During our return trip from Misan Temple ruins, we had booked a small boat to reach Hoi An. This calm and quiet ride through a scenic river was meditative and made many of us sketch during that journey. I was sitting at the rear side of the boat and was getting a nice view from between the two horizontal planes. I kept the central portion without any color and rendered the outside scene. By doing this, I think I could keep the focus on the boat part. It was a journey of about an hour and a half. By the time we reached the town, my mobile was completely drained out. So I entered one cafe along the roadside and to charge my device. It was raining outside and was good time for a hot coffee. Rain, coffee, sketchbook. These three ingredients are enough to make any sketcher a happy person on earth. Hoi An used to be a flourishing trading port and in the past. So to remember that golden era, all houses and shops are painted in yellow color. You can see yellow patch on the left side of the sketch. Also those hanging lanterns which are made out of fabric is the peculiarity of the town. You will see hundreds of them hanging everywhere. At night, the river transforms into a happening area. People drift paper lanterns with candles inside the river. Thank you.
Hi, I am Hemant Mahajan, member of Urban Sketchers Pune since March 2016. I am an architect by profession. Heritage, photography, documentation are my interest, and sketching is a passion. My sketching kit includes A4, A5 and A6 sketchbooks, and I prefer to draw black and white sketches with grey wash. My focus is on protecting cultural values and creating public awareness through the sketching. When I take any photo, I try to observe, I try to relate what I have seen and formulate my image through the process. Shadows always attracts my eye, and as they appear larger than the real object. Hence I draw, sketch and then highlight the outside spaces, which makes all the difference. I love to draw the sketching whenever and wherever it is possible, like moving in a car, bus, flight, airport, apart from the regular sketch work. These are the 1-2 minute sketches. Vegetarians don't starve. They also have the good food, fruits and coffee in selected areas. Lastly, make good friends throughout the world through sketching, and don't forget to share your sketches with your new friends and as a takeaway memory. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Darpana, founder of Urban Sketchers Goa, and my Vietnam kit was a mixed bag of brushes to sketchbooks, pens, colors and brush pens. We often have constraints of time and space for sketching, especially during travel. So I will be taking you through a few of my quick sketches and their processes. So this is Train Street. We were waiting for the train to arrive. So I quickly sketched in monochrome. As the process can be seen in the next slide, I do the people first in rapid outlines. Then the massing was done and shading with gray wash to frame the people, and then the rest was just left off. Sketching on a hungry stomach, especially nearing lunchtime, makes one sketch faster. So minimal lines and one focus helps. This was during the Asia Link sketch walk. One need not always complete a sketch for it to be complete. Part can be loosely left to indicate the structure. So this was a quick sketch at Notre Dame in Ho Chi Minh, as we had a flight the same afternoon. It was a wonderful experience to travel and experience the Asia Link sketch walk and Vietnam, to meet and sketch with new friends. And we made fantastic memories as we finally headed back home. Thank you so much.